Hello everyone, my name is Cameron Mott, and today I will be evaluating the article Encouraging College Student Success, the Instructional Challenges, the Response Strategies, and the Study Skills of Contemporary Undergraduates. The title of the passage was concise, and Hello everyone, my name is Cameron Mott, and today I will be evaluating the article Encouraging College Student Success, the Instructional Challenges, the Response Strategies, and the Study Skills of Contemporary Undergraduates. The title of the article was concise, and it referred to the main variables of the study. The title of the article consisted of 15 words. The main variables of the study was how to help college students cope with their problems and to lead them towards student success. The abstract did not provide a clean, relevant summary of the research study. The abstract failed to mention what measures were used to collect the data for the study. The introduction/literature review clearly identified the research problem. The author mentioned that many institutions are making changes, so student perceptions about their college experiences would change. The introduction/literature review did not provide relevant statistics related to the problem. The author did provide statistics in their introduction/literature review. However, it is related to the enrollment, not to the problem of the research study. The introduction/literature review did not provide a discussion of previous relevant research. The author did provide information of previous research about the undergraduate enrollment. However, the research provided isn't relevant to the current research. The introduction/literature review did contain appropriate citations, which are listed in the reference page located at the end of the article. The introduction/literature review is a synthesis. The study provided relevant research from other studies. For instance, the increasing number of student enrollment allows the institution to make changes to meet the needs of students that could change their behavior. The author clearly identified the study's purpose, the research questions, and the hypotheses. The purpose of the study was to help provide different strategies to undergraduate students to modify their behaviors to envision their success. The methods. The author did provide relevant demographic information about the participants. There were 88 participants, in which 70 were females and 18 were males. The largest ethnic group that participated in the study were white, non-Hispanic, with a percentage of 55.7. Almost 74% of the students were over the age of 25. Majority of the students reported that they had a GPA within the 3.0 to 4.0 range on a 4.0 grading scale. Additionally, 92% of the participants reported that they were employed at the time of the survey. The author did provide information on how the participants were selected. The participants were selected by using a convenient sampling. A survey was given that consisted of 5 sections, in which the data was collected from the participants who completed their survey and turned them in voluntarily. The author did provide information about how the data was collected and the measures/instruments that were used. The survey was initially designed for a community college, but it was revised to be a valid use for college students who were enrolled in a 4-year program. Pope's survey consisted of 5 sections that asked participants about their demographic information, their study skills, the challenges they face with being a college student, and how they cope with their challenges. The results for the study's purpose, the research questions, and the hypotheses were reported. The survey collected data from participants that concluded that the study skills section of the survey conducted a mean score of 5.19 that students primarily studied at home. The main challenge of a college students were trying to balance their academics with their personal life, which resulted with a mean score of 4.32. As college students found a way to cope with their challenges, majority of the college students chose to cope with their challenges by engaging in physical activity with a mean score of 4.07. The types of statistics that were reported were the means, the standard deviations, the ranges, and the percentages. In the discussion section, the author failed to restate the research purpose, the research questions, and the hypotheses. The author did not compare and contrast the results that were reported in the literature review. Also, the author failed to identify the limitations of the study. Two additional limitations of the study that were not listed in the article were that the author did not indicate if the study consisted of college students who were majoring in a certain field, nor did the author indicate if the participant returned to college after taking a few semesters off. The author did not indicate how the study could be used for future research. Instead, the author questioned the role of the future university libraries.